Good morning all. Myself Arya Unni, Department of S&H, Vedavyasa Institute of Technology. Today I am going to discuss about the topic conducting polymers. Polymer which conduct electricity are called the conducting polymers. The conduction of polymer may be due to unsaturation or due to the presence of externally added ingredient to them. The conducting polymer can be classified into intrinsic conducting polymer and extrinsic conducting polymer. The intrinsic conducting polymer again classified into intrinsic polymer with conjugation and doped conducting polymers. The extrinsic conducting polymer classified into conductivity element and blended conducting polymer. The intrinsic conducting polymer are characterized by intensity of double bond in their structure, that is backbone of the polymer. One of the subclassification is conducting polymer having conjugation. Such polymer having conjugated double bond in the backbone possess their conductivity due to the presence of pi electron. In pi bonding, the overlapping of the orbital is lateral over the entire backbone, resulting in the formation of lower energy valence band and a higher energy conducting band, which were separated by a significant Fermi energy gap. The electrical conductivity takes place only after thermal or photolytic activation of the electron, which give them sufficient energy to jump the gap and reach into the conduction band. Here the representation of formation of polyacetylene and the valence band and the conducting band and the energy gap, that is Fermi energy gap. Next is doped conducting polymer. The conducting polymer having pi electron in the backbones can be easily oxidized or reduced because they possess low ionization potential and high electron affinities. Hence, their conductance can be increased by introducing a positive charge or negative charge on the polymer backbone by oxidation or reduction. The process is similar to semiconductor technology and is called doping. Doping are two types. Creating a positive site on a polymer backbone is called p-doping, and creating a negative site on the polymer backbone is called n-doping. P-doping is done by oxidation of conducting polymer like polyacetylene with Lewis acid or iodine vapor. This is called oxidative doping, and here its representation. And n-doping is done by reducing process. For this conductance, polymer having conjugation is treated with Lewis base like sodium naphthalide. Next, going to discuss about extrinsically conducting polymer. These polymer possess their conductivity due to presence of externally added ingredient. They are subclassified into conductive element filled polymer. The polymer acts as a binder to hold the conducting element together in solid entity. Minimum concentration of conductive filler which should be added to the polymer started conducting is known as percolating threshold, because at this concentration of filler or conducting element, a conducting path is formed in the polymeric materials. Such compounds have been important. For example, in a hospital operating theatre where it was essential that the static charges did not build up, leading to the explosion involved anesthetics. The bended conducting polymer can be obtained by bending process. They possess better physical, chemical, electrical and mechanical properties, and they can be easily processed. For example, up to 40% of polypyrrole will have a little effect on tensile strength and give them higher impact strength. Such compounds are interested in electromagnetic shielding. Now I am going to discuss about engineering applications of conducting polymer. There are several utilities of conducting polymer due to their better physical, chemical, electrical, mechanical property and the lightweight and easy process. They can be used making rechargeable lightweight batteries and used making analytical sensors for pH, O2, NO2, SO2, NH3 and glucose, and used making ion exchangers and used in electronic devices such as transistors and diodes, and used in making solar cell and in photovoltaic devices. Now we can conclude the topic about conducting polymers. Thank you.